Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by quickly preparing so offline data behaves predictably. Put the phone in airplane mode, then turn Wi-Fi back on only if you'll use airport or plain Wi-Fi later. Next, open each app and download what you need: maps, playlists, documents, because caching is how apps serve data without cellular. Once done, make sure app offline modes are enabled so the phone uses stored files instead of requesting network access. This reduces background data attempts and preserves battery. Now you switch to using the phone as a local device, and here's how. Open the downloaded map tiles or saved playlists directly. The apps will read local storage instead of fetching data. Use device GPS. Most phones allow satellite fixes without cellular, so navigation still works with cached maps. If an app keeps trying to connect, go to its settings and force offline or cached mode. This prevents background requests. Doing this maintains responsiveness and avoids unexpected. To finish, close or background lock apps so they don't attempt sync when you end airplane mode. When you're ready to reconnect, turn off airplane mode and then enable cellular. Verify each app's sync settings before letting it update. If something is missing, check one critical troubleshooting step. Toggle the app's offline mode and restart the app or device. This refreshes caches and forces apps to reindex downloaded content. That fix resolves most issues quickly, so you can resume normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.